एक राजा था. There was a king. There was a king. वर्षा हो रही है. It is raining. It is raining. जंगल में एक शेर था. There was a lion in the forest. There was a lion in the forest. मैं वहाँ जा सकता हूँ. I can go there. I can go there. तुम अब जा सकते हो. You can go now. You can go now. वह मेरा पेन नहीं ले सकता. He cannot take my pen. He cannot take my pen. वह इस वर्ष पास हो सकता है. He may pass this year. He may pass this year. मैं सुबह से पढ़ रहा था. I had been reading since morning. I had been reading since morning. फ़ोन उठाओ. Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. फूल मत तोड़ना. Don't break the flower. Don't break the flower. कभी झूठ मत बोलो. Never tell a lie. Never tell a lie. धूप में मत खेलो. Do not play in the sun. Do not play in the sun. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. आओ पार्क में घूमें. Let us walk in the park. Let us walk in the park. अब 7 बजे हैं. It is 7 o'clock now. It is 7 o'clock now. दफा हो जाओ. Get lost. Get lost. बस दया है आपकी. So kind of you. So kind of you. कर लिया. Done. Done. मजाक मत करो. Don't cut jokes. Don't cut jokes. बेकार की बात मत करो. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. बुरा मानने की क्या बात है. What's there to mind? What's there to mind? वहम की कोई दवा नहीं. No solution for doubt. No solution for doubt. मैं रात भर जागता रहता था। I used to stay awake all night. I used to stay awake all night. मैंने तुम्हें बहुत कुछ दिया। I gave you a lot. I gave you a lot. वे दिन अब चले गए। Those days have gone now. Those days have gone now. वह मेरा पड़ोसी है। He is my neighbor. He is my neighbor. किसी से बात मत करो। Don't talk to anyone. Don't talk to anyone. वह अकेला आया था। He came alone. He came alone. आप गलत हो सकते हैं। You may be wrong. You may be wrong. वह फिर भी गया। He still went. He still went. मेरा दिल मत तोड़ो। Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. मुझे नहीं पता था कि ऐसा होने वाला है। I didn't know that this was going to happen. I didn't know that this was going to happen. मुझे फैसला लेना पड़ा। I had to make a decision. I had to make a decision. मुझे यह पता लगाना है। I want to find out. I want to find out. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। There is no need. There is no need. मुझे धन्यवाद कहना है। I want to say thank you. I want to say thank you. तुम लोग नहीं समझोगे। You all will not understand. You all will not understand. इसे मेरे कमरे में रख दो। Put this in my room. Put this in my room. मैं कल वापस आऊँगा। I will come back tomorrow. I will come back tomorrow. हमें इस तरह मिलना बंद करना होगा। We need to stop meeting like this. We need to stop meeting like this. खिड़की से दूर रहो। Stay away from the window. Stay away from the window. मुझे पूरा अधिकार है। I have full rights. I have full rights. आपको बोलने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है। You have no right to speak. You have no right to speak. समय आ गया है। The time has come. The time has come. मेरे पास पैसों की कमी है। I have a shortage of money. I have a shortage of money. मुझे चक्कर आ रहा है. I am feeling dizzy. I am feeling dizzy. ठंडी हवा चल रही है. Cold wind is blowing. Cold wind is blowing. इस बीच में. In the meanwhile. In the meanwhile. इसे बंद कर दो. Turn it off. Turn it off. उसे मत छुओ. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. उसे व्यस्त रखो. Keep him busy. Keep him busy. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let's start. Let's start. बस थोड़ा सा और. Just a little more. Just a little more. आप मुझसे कब तक इंतज़ार करवाना चाहते हैं? How long do you want me to wait? How long do you want me to wait? मैं सही समय का इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. I am waiting for the right time. I am waiting for the right time. आप किसका इंतज़ार कर रही हैं? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? देखो मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या लाया. Look what I got for you. Look what I got for you. सिंगल रहना बहुत मुश्किल है. It is very difficult to remain single. It is very difficult to remain single. मैं दीवार से टकरा गया. I bumped into the wall. I bumped into the wall. मैं दीवार से टकरा गया. I bumped into the wall. I bumped into the wall. मुझे खबर देते रहो. Keep me in the loop. Keep me in the loop. हाँ क्यों नहीं. Yes, why not? Yes, why not? क्या हम साथ में लंच कर सकते हैं? Can we have lunch together? Can we have lunch together? नहीं मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखी. No, I haven't seen it yet. No, I haven't seen it yet. नहीं मैंने नहीं देखी. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. हाँ मैंने वो मूवी देख ली. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. क्या आपने वह मूवी देखी? Did you watch that movie? Did you watch that movie? आप कितनी बार वहाँ जाते हैं? How often do you go there? How often do you go there? मैं अपना मोबाइल भूल गया। आई फॉरगॉट माई मोबाइल। आई फॉरगॉट माई मोबाइल। क्या आप कुछ भूल गए? डिड यू फॉरगेट समथिंग? डिड यू फॉरगेट समथिंग?